Hey everybody, for this one, I'm actually going to walk around so you guys can get a better angle of what these moves look like. So say hi, Gina.
Hello.
She's going to be doing some hamstrings and more glute work. Poor Gina, she's going to be tired at the end of all this. But we're going to go ahead and start with some hamstring curls. Let's do 8 total, 4 on each hamstring. Okay, so just alternate it. Good. So we have our band connected in the front of the foot, okay, in one of the 3 rings, okay, and so her knee is staying nice and flat because it has nowhere to go. So that's the cool thing about doing hamstring curls right here. Now if you want to make it a little harder, Gina, let's actually do 2 at a time, like together. Can you do them like together, like both feet? There, see how much harder that is?
Oh yeah.
She's telling the truth. It's quite a bit harder. Okay, so the next one is a little glute raise. So you're going to actually raise your heel just like that, up and down. Let's do 6 of those. So that's really good form. So you can totally see, and she likes to raise up on her chest, which is fine, or you can totally lay flat too. Either one's fine. 6 on each. And so we have the red band, and Gina is super strong, but it's still tough for her to do.
I feel it in my abs too.
Really nice stretch in your abs? Awesome. Okay, that's enough. Perfect. And then the last variation is just to go to your elbows, Gina, and take your hips off the floor. Perfect. And now she's going to raise up and get a little bit higher on the glute. She's going to raise really high. Good. Good. Now you can do it either this way with a straight leg, or you can also bend that knee. Let's do a few of those too. Bend and kick that heel to the ceiling. That's really good. So she's in great shape, but this is tough. Okay. That's all glute right there doing that work. Okay, let's go ahead and try the other one. And if it feels better, you can also go on your hands and knees. So some people don't like elbows and knees. The other one would be hands and knees. So go ahead and try a couple of hands and knees, Gina, so people can see what it looks like. So just move up a little bit, and then you can take it straight up from there. Yeah, perfect. And Gina's used this machine very little at this point, but she's going to be using it more, but she's a natural, so it's pretty easy to get used to. And these are moves that are really tough to replicate, like with a cable machine. So that's where bands are really great, and these 3-ring harnesses work perfectly connected. And you could feasibly have 4 people at once doing this whole series. Okay. And one more, Gina. All right, we'll give her a break. Great job.